Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
The date of fire is 16th of February, but still this worker is showing up. Okay, maybe this worker was hired between these two dates with the back data entry. Maybe that's the reason. So let me. No, I don't want to proxy. I just want to see the worker history. Because I gave the hire date. Let me just quickly check the worker history. Why is this worker coming up? Worker history. The hire event also happened on the 17th of February, successfully completed. Let me search for a view. Worker history by category. Was the hire recently, and in turn done again? This hire happened on 16th of February. Okay, so what was the criteria? Work to basically do that. We just make sure that we have the right records. Okay, so we are in the filter. We are choosing. Hire date is greater than starting from. Hire date is less than the ending dependent.empty, and the base page is greater than $1. And what about the prompts? A year ago plus 1 day. Okay, that is the hire date, and this is today. Okay, so let's see. Custom report run. Okay, so it is 18th of April, 2021. Sorry, my mistake. So let's do that and click. Okay, so that is why it was. Yeah, that's why we have to, because in the last 1 year, 18th of April till 17th of April, 2020, these are the two workers who are hired? And that's what we saw, that Oliver was hired on the 16th of February. Now let's do this. Let proxy as Steve Morgan. Why Steve Morgan? Because this report has been shared with Steve Morgan. Authorized users. Steve Morgan is authorized to use this particular report. So let's start proxy. Steve Morgan. Alright, so now Steve Morgan can run this report. Write www. Please spin. Right, here is the report. So you see, Steve Morgan is able to access this report. So if I run this, right, by default, the same set of filters. Click OK. Right. He's able to view this information because I have shared the report with this particular worker. Right, so they are able to view this information. Now if Steve did not have access to certain fields, maybe the worker's age or the dependent stage, then these fields would appear as black. Okay, then its field will appear as black. Yeah, but he has access to all these fields. So if he had it for some reason, but the worker's age, if he hadn't the access, then the for worker's age, that data will appear as black. Right, even though that information is present in work. Right, so this is how Steve Morgan would feed the report output. He has to run it, and then see the report output. Okay, but then what? What is? That option that we saw, where we were able to specify some options in the scheduling. Share report output with other users. What does that mean? Okay, let me start the process. And let me go to Oliver Reynolds. Okay, Oliver Reynolds. A different worker. Did I share the base pay report with Oliver? I don't remember right. I don't think I did. So can he start? Have you W base pay details? You see, he's not getting the option. Why not? You right. I just spelling correctly the www base pay right. Oliver doesn't get to see it. Why not? Yeah, it's not shared. Charitable to him, or or he can see just what is unlike you just mentioned. But he cannot even see the report definitely. I mean, he cannot even run the report. Why not? Because it's not shared. It's not shared with him. Exactly. Because the report definition has not been shared with Oliver Reynolds. Isn't it? So if let me go back to Logan. Let me go back to Logan. Now Oliver says that, hey, I don't need to run the report myself. Right? I don't need to run it myself. You run it, and just share the outputs with me on a daily basis. I want the report at 6 in the morning in my inbox or in my notifications. Then what should Logan do? Tell me, what should Logan do? Oliver doesn't need to have the report. He says, you just send me the report, output every day 6 in the morning. And it should be there in mind in my notifications. I should be notified that I have the report every day, 6 in the morning. I will report with the schedule. If I can't prepare a particular person, I can go to Logan. I will just go to his mother's office. Yes, that is the purpose of sharing the report output. So I will schedule the report. Oliver wants it at 6 in the morning. So I would schedule the report. And what are the options? I will say daily recurrence. Daily recurrence. And I will ask him, okay, if I want duration, do you want? He might say, okay, I want the report. This is the base period. So I want the information about all the workers who are hired from the beginning of the month till today. So, from the beginning of the month till today, I want the report for everything. I know it will be an incremental report. There will be repetitions, right? So I want that. So from till today, you want, and first day of the month.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@therateuptalk.com.